In our daily lives, we constantly have conversations with ourselves. You know, those little thoughts and affirmations we say silently in our minds about ourselves and the world. Well, these inner voices have been with us for a long time, shaping how we think and feel. The thing is, most of the time we don't even notice them because they've become automatic over the years. But guess what? You have the power to change how you talk to yourself and create a whole new world of amazing experiences that match your deepest wishes. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. The problem is that mental chatter can stop us from going after what we really want. It all goes back to when we were kids, trying to please others and ignoring our own desires. This can lead to fears and doubts about whether we can actually achieve what we truly dream of. But fear not. I'll share some tips on how to break free from those barriers and make your dreams come true. So get ready for a life-changing journey. Limiting beliefs have proven to be a major setback when it comes to manifesting desires. If you want to dive deeper into manifestation and get rid of limiting beliefs, get your free guide in the link below. As we walk this spiritual journey, where we learn to create intentionally, we start following new rules. This path gives us more time to understand how the universe works and connect with ourselves. We create new ways of thinking that lead us to the experiences we truly desire. Our thoughts are incredibly powerful. The energy within us pushes us to take action, but the old voices in our heads cast doubt on our inspiration. Have you ever just sat and observed your thoughts? You might have noticed these thoughts aren't even yours, but you picked them up during your life's journey. The key to talking to yourself differently lies in observing these thoughts. It's a powerful trick. When you simply observe these thoughts, their power weakens, and you can start creating new thoughts that lead to fresh experiences. Let me explain further. Fears and doubts, we learn, are like illusions, and we can choose to give in to or conquer them. When you overcome these thoughts, you change them, and that leads to new experiences. The universe reflects what we predominantly think, so it's essential to be aware of what's in your mind. But many people are too busy just trying to get by and don't notice the thoughts that keep running automatically in their minds. To overcome these limiting thoughts, you need to take a deliberate step. Don't avoid or ignore them. Instead, face them head-on and bring them into your awareness. By doing this, you can see them for what they truly are and take away their power over you. Find a peaceful moment to sit quietly. Intentionally think about a desire you want to achieve. Pay attention to what thoughts come up in response. Do they tell you that your desire is impossible? Do they say you're not good enough? Recognize that these thoughts are what's holding you back from success. When you expose these old thoughts, you'll want to change them. Connect with your higher self, that inner voice pushing you towards positive change. Reframe those old beliefs as outdated and untrue. By doing so, you strip them of their influence over your life. Remember, the source energy within you inspires you to manifest greatness. By understanding and changing these negative thoughts, you unlock the power to create new, empowering beliefs. So embrace the self-discovery journey and watch your dreams unfold into reality. Have you ever heard that joyous, "What if I had or experienced this" voice, but brushed it off as mere fantasy? Well, here's the secret. Those inner yearnings are more than just wishful thinking. They are your inner guidance, nudging you toward your true desires. When doubts and fears creep into your mind, try this powerful reframing technique. Acknowledge them, but don't give them any emotional power. Simply said, "Oh, those are just old thoughts from the past resurfacing." Doing so removes their strength, and your higher self can step forward with its desires. Those lingering voices from the past, trying to drown out your inspired voice, hold no true power over you. They are mere illusions, not the core of who you are or meant to be. You might have let them influence your actions before, but once you expose their true nature, they lose their grip, one by one, giving you back your control. Now you have the power to eliminate them and embrace your authentic self. As you do, watch how your life transforms into a manifestation of your true desires. Say goodbye to the old illusions and let your inspired voice guide you toward a brighter future. Next, practice thinking and speaking differently about yourself, others, and the world around you. Even if it feels to be untrue when you first start this process, I'll outline a few ways to do this here, and I recommend incorporating all of these things to create a new habit for faster results. Number 1, a great way that I've learned in my own life to do this is by stating out loud that an experience that I'm having that I don't prefer is just an illusion. I say, it's only an illusion because I know that that's what it is, and this takes the power away from any doubtful thoughts that I'm having regarding that situation. In taking that power away, I can begin to reframe my thoughts around what I truly desire. It's all about the meaning that we carry in any situation. I personally do this by telling myself that all situations work in my favor, even the ones that don't look like they will. Number 2. Let's discuss those negative thoughts we sometimes have about ourselves. Have you caught yourself saying, "Why did I do that? What's wrong with me? Why do I always mess things up?" It's crucial to show yourself the same kindness you'd show a friend or a loved one. Shift the meaning behind those thoughts. Embrace the idea that it's okay to make mistakes. We all do. Be proud of yourself for giving your best and taking risks. Remember, you're constantly growing, and with each effort, you become better and better. Believe in your ability to change those thoughts and create a positive mindset. You deserve kindness and self-compassion on this journey of personal growth. Let's take it to the next level with step number 3. Start incorporating positive words into your inner vocabulary. Tell yourself you're smart, good-looking, funny, abundant, and worthy. At first, these words may feel unfamiliar, but with practice, your brain and body will embrace them. Train your subconscious mind to truly believe in these positive affirmations by repeating them daily. But don't stop there. Make a conscious effort to speak positively about everyone and everything in your life. Share these uplifting affirmations with your friends, family, and even strangers you meet. Cultivate this habit, and you'll witness the universe returning positivity to you in abundance. Embrace the power of positive thinking and let it shape your reality for the better. You have the ability to change your life's narrative with the words you use, so why not make them empowering and uplifting? The choice is yours. For step number 4, try keeping a list of negative words or phrases that often pop up in your mind or that you hear from others. Then, transform their meaning by replacing them with positive counterparts. In other words, change them to what you would have preferred to think or hear instead. Remember, it's all about the meaning we attach to our thoughts. Here are some examples. Replace worthless with worthy, stupid with smart, and lack with abundance. Write down these words and their opposites to shift your mind's default thinking patterns in your daily life. Doing so empowers you to cultivate a more positive and fulfilling mindset. Let's delve into tip number 6, a pivotal step on this transformative journey. As you incorporate these new habits into your life, embrace the idea that your truest desires and thoughts come from your higher self. This internal voice serves as a guiding force, leading you toward the manifestations you yearn for. To harness the power of your higher self, you must release any fears that may hold you back. Trust your instincts and recognize that following this inner guidance will always lead you to success. Choose truth over fear, affirming, "I am connected to divine inspiration," following its guidance every day. Everything aligns in my favor, and I can only achieve greatness. Affirmations are potent tools that can reshape your mindset. Repeat these positive affirmations daily, making them deeply ingrained in your consciousness. As you do, you'll witness profound changes in your life, replacing self-doubt with self-assurance. Believe in your capacity to transform your inner dialogue. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with empowering beliefs. Doing so opens doors to newfound possibilities and welcome positivity into your life. Remember, you possess the power to master your thoughts. Nurture a positive mindset and you'll attract abundance and joy. Embrace this journey of self-discovery, confident that your life will align with your deepest desires. Trust the process and witness the remarkable transformations that unfold before you. Embrace your true potential and step into a world of boundless possibilities. The way we talk to ourselves and the thoughts we hold shape our entire life experience. They influence how we feel, act, and what we believe in. What we assume to be true becomes our reality. Our inner world reflects back to us like a boomerang, manifesting in our daily lives. Paying attention to our thoughts is crucial because they create our experiences. Negative thoughts lead to a life of lack and unhappiness, while positive thoughts align us with abundance and joy. The good news is you hold the power to change your thoughts. You can create a dominant storyline that attracts everything you long for by aligning your inner dialogue with your true desires. The universe will conspire to give you all that you desire. Embrace this transformative journey and see your life unfold in remarkable ways. I trust I was able to provide a thorough analysis of Neville Goddard's inner dialogue technique. Of course, this does not mean that we agree with everything he said or believed in, because in the end, everyone will form their own opinion, which is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people worldwide. Please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and loved ones.